Dear shareholders, I welcome you to your company's 81st annual general meeting, which is being held through video conferencing. I also welcome all the board members of your company to this meeting. I would like to inform you about certain important points for the smooth conduct of this meeting. The facility of joining the annual general meeting through video conferencing is being made available to the shareholders on first come first served basis. All the shareholders of the company who have joined this meeting have been muted to avoid any disturbance during the smooth. They can't hear. Yes. During the question and answer session, the names of the speaker shareholders will be called out, and thereafter he or she will be unmuted by the moderator. The speaker shareholders are requested to ensure that the audio and video should be enabled and working properly. If you are unable to use the video mode, then you can speak through the audio mode. If there is a connectivity problem at your end, we would ask the next speaker to join. Once the connectivity improves, the earlier speaker will be called again to speak. I welcome Mr. Pradeep P. Shah, our chairman, sitting on the dais, and request him to preside over the annual general meeting. Mr. Shah.
Thank you, Manohar. I have great pleasure in welcoming you all, ladies and gentlemen, to the 81st annual general meeting of your company. In compliance with the circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Securities Exchange Board of India, your company's annual general meeting is being conducted through video conferencing. Your company has taken required steps to enable shareholders to participate in this meeting and vote on the resolutions as set out in the notice of the 81st annual general meeting. The live streaming of this meeting is also being webcast on NSDL's website. The requisite quorum for this meeting is present, and with your permission, I shall commence the proceedings. On behalf of the Board of Directors and shareholders of the company, I welcome Dr. Ramkumar Dhruva, President of Monomers, who is attending this meeting from Belgium, and Mr. Marcelo Lu, President, Asia Pacific, excluding Greater China, who is physically present with us in Mumbai. All the directors of your company are present at this annual general meeting. I will now request all directors to introduce themselves one by one, starting with our Managing Director, Mr. Alexander Girding.
I'm Alexander Girding, Managing Director of the company and attending this meeting from Mumbai. I'm also the Chairman of the Risk Management Committee.
Dr. Ramkumar Dhruva.
Good afternoon, shareholders. I am Ramkumar Dhruva, non-executive director of your company, joining the annual general body meeting from Brussels, Belgium.
Mr. Marcelo Lu.
Yes. Good afternoon, Marcelo Lu, non-executive director of the company and attending this meeting from Mumbai.
This is Shyamala Gopinath.
I'm Shyamala Gopinath, independent director of the company and attending this meeting from US. I am the chairperson of the audit committee and the nomination and remuneration committee.
Mr. Behram Vakil.
Good afternoon, shareholders. I'm an independent director in your company, and I'm also the chairman of the CSR committee.
Mrs. Sonia Singh.
Good afternoon, shareholders. I'm Sonia Singh, independent director of the company and attending this meeting from Mumbai. I'm the chairperson of the Stakeholders Relationship Committee. Thank you.
Mr. Naren Baliga.
Good afternoon. I'm Narendranath J. Baliga, Chief Financial Officer and whole-time director of the company, and attending this meeting from Mumbai.
Mr. Anil Chaudhary.
Good afternoon, shareholders. I'm Anil Chaudhary, manufacturing head and whole-time director of the company, and attending this meeting from Mumbai.
Mr. Manohar Kamath.
I'm Manohar Kamath, Director Legal and Company Secretary of the company, and attending this meeting from Mumbai. Thank you, everyone.
Your company's statutory auditor, internal auditor, secretarial auditor, and cost auditor have also joined the meeting through video conferencing. The notice convening the 81st annual general meeting and the annual report have already been circulated to the shareholders of the company on 14th July 2025, and with your permission, I take the notice dated 14th May 2025 convening this 81st annual general meeting as read. The auditor's report does not have any qualification or observation or comments on the financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2025. Hence, with your permission, I take the same as read. The company has received corporate representations under Section 113 of the Companies Act 2013 from BASF SE and BASF Schweiz AG, representing 73.33% of the paid-up equity capital of the company, holding 3,17,43,220 equity shares of the company. Since the annual general meeting is held virtually, the requirement of appointment of proxy is not applicable. The registers maintained under the Companies Act 2013 are open for inspection electronically. Shareholders may send a request to Mr. Manohar Kamath, Company Secretary, for inspection of any documents mentioned in the AGM notice. I now invite Mr. Alexander Girding to make the presentation to the shareholders. I also authorize Mr. Alexander Girding to conduct the remaining proceedings of this annual general meeting, such as e-voting, appointment of scrutinizer, handling questions and answers, declaration of e-voting results, and conclusion of this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Shah, and a very warm welcome from my side to all our dear shareholders. In the next 30 minutes, I would like to give you an overview on the financial performance of your company in the last fiscal year and the first quarter of the new fiscal year, and share some highlights and updates on key initiatives. Afterwards, I look forward to your questions. Before we start, a short disclaimer. We will only discuss matters that are in the public domain, and we do not provide any forecast or guidance on the business outlook and future results. Environment, health, and safety is our top priority, and I'm happy to share that your company maintains a very strong safety track record. We've had no high-severity incidents or lost time injury in 2024 and year-to-date in 2025. We did have 2 process safety incidents at the H site more than a year ago, one in April and one in June 2024, but without any operator exposure and no environmental impact, and remedial measures were implemented immediately. We have also seen an increase in leading indicators like near-miss reporting. There is a clear correlation. The more near misses are reported, the less actual incidents occur. I'm proud to highlight that our BASF Thane site, which began operations in 1967 as the first BASF production facility in India, recently celebrated a major safety achievement. 2 million man-hours worked without a single lost time incident. At BASF, safety is not only a priority for our employees, but also for our customers. For example, the farmers who use our products in the field. Since 2016, we have been conducting Suraksha Hamesha training programs across India to educate farmers and spray operators on the safe and responsible use of agrochemicals. These sessions focus solely on product stewardship, covering 9 key safety steps and the importance of personal protection with no product promotion involved. Our goal is to ensure that every farmer, regardless of farm size, has access to the right knowledge and tools to work safely. India's macroeconomic momentum remains resilient, underpinned by strong GDP growth and a continued emphasis on strengthening the manufacturing base. At the same time, we are mindful of the external environment with volatile exchange rates, elevated input costs, and ongoing geopolitical uncertainties that continue to introduce a degree of caution into the outlook. That said, leading indicators remain encouraging. The Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index has been consistently above 50, a sign of expected economic expansion, supported by robust order inflows, higher production, signaling sustained industrial strength, especially as we approach the festive season. The fundamentals remain strong in the automotive sector. While overall passenger vehicle sales saw a marginal decline in the first quarter, the SUV and electric vehicle segments continue to gain and now account for an increasing share of total volumes. The fast-moving consumer goods market has improved, with urban growth recovering over April to June 2025 and rural growth holding steady. Lower food inflation, policy tailwinds, and a strong monsoon, bringing better sowing conditions, and healthy water reservoir levels are expected to sustain rural spending and boost festive season sales. Nevertheless, margins in the chemical segment remain under pressure, driven by overcapacities in China. Now, how does this all translate into BASF financial performance? On this slide, you see our 6 segments. Your company has a well-diversified portfolio ranging from upstream to downstream chemicals. Your company achieved 15,260 crores revenue in fiscal year 24-25. Now let us go a bit more in detail on the next slide. On the left-hand side of this slide, you see the year-on-year line revenue development, and on the right-hand side, the year-on-year profit before tax before exceptional items. At a consolidated level, your company achieved top-line growth of 11%, driven by volumes, with sales rising to 15,260 crores. However, profitability was impacted, with profit before tax before exceptional items declining by 19% from 759 crores to 617 crores. This was primarily due to higher input costs and continued pricing pressure amid a volatile market environment, particularly in the last quarter of the fiscal year. Your board of directors have recommended a dividend payout of 200% or 20 rupees per equity share. Comparing quarter-on-quarter performance across 24 and 25, revenue has stabilized at a higher level this year, reflecting the resilience and consistent efforts of your teams. However, profitability has softened due to ongoing pricing pressures and higher input costs. We've also recently announced our first quarter results for the new fiscal year. Our revenue experienced a marginal decline by 2% from 3,966 crores to 3,875 crores, primarily on account of lower sales volumes across select product lines. This was influenced by softer market demand. On the profitability area, our profit before tax, excluding exceptional items, dropped by 34% from 283 crores to 188 crores. Agricultural solutions, industrial solutions, surface technologies, and nutrition and care segments showed stable or improved revenue, although results were impacted by higher costs. We remain focused on disciplined working capital management and optimized inventory levels to support sustainable growth. Now let me transition and share with you some selected highlights. These are just a few examples. Certainly, there are many more examples we could share. Firstly, we're proud to announce that your company has broken ground on a new state-of-the-art Cellasto facility in Dahej, designed to significantly increase production capacity of microcellular polyurethane elastomers. Cellasto acts as a cushion in vehicles, blocking road and engine vibrations from reaching passengers, ensuring a smoother, quieter, and more comfortable ride. This new facility will begin operations in the second half of 2026. Second, we have completed construction of an alkaline surfactant polymer blending plant, also at our Dahej site, in February 25. This plant is designed for enhanced oil recovery applications, helping improve the efficiency of oil extraction from mature oil fields. This new plant will cater to the needs of oil exploration companies and help them improve efficiencies. We're also pleased to share that in May 2025, we successfully completed the expansion of our polyamide compounding capacity at our performance materials plant in Panoli. This strategic investment will enable us to better serve the growing demand across key sectors such as automotive, construction, consumer goods, and electronics. With this capacity enhancement, we are reinforcing our commitment to producing in India for India. We also continue to drive green transformation across our sites. As an example, we signed a 25-year power purchase agreement to procure competitive green energy for our Mangalore site. 80% of all energy needs in Mangalore will come from renewable sources. We're proud to share a major development in our agricultural solutions portfolio. In May 2025, BASF India Limited introduced two cutting-edge crop protection products for rice cultivation: Valexio, an advanced insecticide, and Mibelia, a highly effective fungicide. Rice is central to India's food security and the livelihood of millions of farmers. Launched in June 25, ahead of the main season, these innovations help farmers boost yields and quality, supporting both food security and sustainable agriculture. A simple but powerful visual comparison tells a story. On one side, an untreated rice plant shows visible pest infestation. On the other, the field treated with Valexio is healthy and pest-free. This clearly demonstrates Valexio's superior efficacy in protecting rice crops and helping farmers achieve better yields with confidence. In line with our commitment to operational focus and long-term value creation, the board of BASF India Limited has approved the demerger of our agricultural solutions business into a separate listed entity, BASF Agricultural Solutions India Limited. Our shareholders will receive 1 share of BASF Agricultural Solutions India Limited for every share held in BASF India Limited. This move will allow the agribusiness to operate with greater agility and dedicated focus while remaining fully aligned with BASF's global strategy. We believe that this step will enhance customer responsiveness, unlock shareholder value, and support the continued growth of our agricultural solutions portfolio in India. Behind every successful product launch and expansion is the commitment of our employees. This year, our teams have deepened their engagement with key customers, collaborating closely to anticipate needs, offer insights, and deliver customized solutions. This approach not only strengthens partnerships, but also reinforces BASF's position as a trusted collaborator in every sector that we serve. One example is our customer engagement with Maruti Suzuki India Limited, the largest automotive manufacturer in the country with a significant market share in the passenger vehicle segment. Over the last years, we have steadily advanced our position with Maruti Suzuki, supporting their growth through tailored solutions, consistent delivery, and technical excellence. Your company also continues to participate at key conferences and associations. In 2024, the Asia-Pacific Conference of German Business, also known as the APK, which is held every 2 years, was hosted in New Delhi and was attended also by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We were proud that our global CEO of BASF SE, Dr. Markus Kamit, joined as a panelist, highlighting BASF's leadership in regional discussions on sustainability, innovation, and the importance of the chemical industry in India. We also participated in the annual Indian Chemical Industry Outlook Conference, contributing to a panel discussion alongside industry peers. We also shared our sustainability roadmap at key platforms such as the ICC Sustainability Conclave and the Indian Petrochem Conference. Your company is increasingly recognized as a thought and action leader in the Indian chemical industry. We're equally committed to creating a positive impact beyond business through our corporate social responsibility initiatives. Our focus remains on empowering communities, promoting education and skills, and driving inclusive growth. In February 2025, BASF India hosted the Kids Lab at IIT Delhi, engaging over 1,800 children in hands-on activities on climate change and sustainability. With programs across Navi Mumbai, Bangalore, and now Delhi, since 2023, over 6,000 students have benefited, fostering scientific curiosity and environmental responsibility in young minds. BASF India, in collaboration with Somaiya University and the Indian Chemical Council, is proud to celebrate the progress of the We Chemie program, launched in 2024 to empower women in chemistry. Since its inception, 135 female students from underprivileged backgrounds have been trained and recognized through this initiative, many of whom have now embarked on promising careers in the chemical industry. We Chemie is designed to bridge the gender gap in the sector by providing essential knowledge, practical skills, and real-world industry exposure to final-year bachelor's and master's of science of chemistry students, helping shape the next generation of women leaders in science. In March 2025, BASF India Limited, in collaboration with key partners, launched the Women in Refinish program to empower women from underprivileged backgrounds through industrial painting skills training. We're proud to share that the first batch of trainees has successfully completed the program and received their certifications, opening pathways to employment in the automotive refinishing sector. The program offers 3 to 4 months of technical and hands-on training designed by BASF experts and aims to skill 50 women annually in Pune. We're also encouraging other automotive manufacturers to be part of this initiative. In January 2025, BASF India, in collaboration with Waterlife India, inaugurated a community water ATM in Vagara, Bharuch, aimed at providing safe and affordable drinking water to up to 10,000 residents. The system uses smart card-based dispensing and advanced water treatment technology to ensure reliable access to clean water, contributing to health, dignity, and sustainability in the community. We're also transforming how we work by creating an environment that empowers our employees and reflects our commitment to sustainability and innovation. A key milestone in this journey has been the relocation of our head office in Mumbai, aligning with our future of work vision. In October 2024, your company successfully relocated its head office to Godrej 1, Vikhroli, a LEED Platinum certified facility in one of Mumbai's prominent business districts. The new unified office brings together around 500 employees from various businesses and functions under one roof, fostering collaboration and creative exchange. With features like ergonomic design, dynamic desk sharing, natural lighting, and open workspaces, the office promotes flexibility and teamwork. In summary, fiscal year 2024-2025 has been a year of progress and purpose, marked by strategic investments, customer-centric innovation, community impact, and a renewed workplace that empowers our people. As we look ahead, we remain focused on driving sustainable, profitable growth, deepening partnerships, and creating long-term value for all our stakeholders. Together, with our employees, customers, partners, and communities, we're shaping a future that is resilient, inclusive, and innovation-driven. With that, I would like to close by extending a very warm thank you on behalf of the entire board of BASF India Limited. Thank you, dear shareholders, for being part of BASF every step of the way. Let us continue to create chemistry together. Thank you very much. As per the provisions of the Companies Act 2013 and the rules made thereunder, the company is required to provide remote e-voting facility to its shareholders, which was provided from Saturday, 9th of August 2025 from 9 a.m. to Monday, 11th of August 2025 till 5 p.m. For the benefit of the shareholders who have participated in this meeting and have not cast their votes through e-remote voting, we have provided the facility for electronic voting. The shareholders can exercise their votes during the course of this meeting by using this facility. All the resolutions proposed to be passed at this 81st Annual General Meeting would be passed by means of e-voting. Mr. Suhas S. Ganpule, Practicing Company Secretary, has been appointed as a scrutinizer for the e-voting. I now request Mr. Manohar Kamat to explain the procedure for e-voting to enable you to cast your vote.
NSDL has been engaged by the company for providing e-voting facility. The facility to vote at this meeting is only for those shareholders who have not yet cast their vote. Shareholders can cast their vote by visiting the NSDL e-voting website. All the resolutions have already been put to vote through e-voting, and there will be no proposing and seconding on the resolutions. I also request our shareholders to kindly update their email IDs and bank account details with the company or their respective depository participants for correspondence and timely remittance of the dividend. Thank you.
I will now invite the shareholders of the company who have registered themselves as speakers for this annual general meeting. I request the moderator to call out the names one by one as per the order of names written in speakers list. I request all the speaker shareholders to be brief and not to repeat the questions or queries that have already been raised by other speakers, and limit their speech to 3 minutes.
Thank you very much. We will now begin with the question and answer session. Before we go live with the question and answer, here are some points to note for your convenience. Members are requested to keep their questions brief and specific. We request you to please unmute your audio and turn on your video and proceed with your questions. We now invite our first speaker shareholder, Ms. Celestine Mascarenas.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, we can
Hello?
hear you. Please go ahead.
I think I'm not able to get the camera. It's fine. Respected Chairman, Mr. Pradeep P. Shah, MD, Alexander Garding, Mr. Director, Mr. Marcelo Rocha, Madam, our Madam Gopinath, Shamla Gopinath, Madam Sonia, and other very, very esteemed directors on this board, my fellow shareholders. I am Mrs. C.E. Mascarenas speaking from Mumbai. First of all, I thank our company secretary, Mr. Manohar Kamat, and his team, especially Madam Vidya and the others, for sending me an annual report, also registering me as a speaker at my request and giving me this platform to speak, which was easy to get in. Thank you so much. Now, our annual report is full of information, facts and figures, self-explanatory, adhering to all the norms of corporate governance. Our working is very good, revenues up, and a good dividend of rupees 2 per share and above, that is 200%, and above all this, a very good market capitalization. Our congratulations for all the awards and accolades. Very good CSR work. Nobody can beat it. BASF CSR work. Our ESG rating is also good. Now I come to my queries, but many of my queries were covered in the presentation by Mr. Alexander. So I have some few. Always we want to ask something, dil mange more. Now I come to my first query. Our material segment comprising of performance materials, monomers businesses register a good growth. How much margins we are getting and how is our competitor and our market shares? Second, we are customers in nutrition and care segment. How much is the business waiting for us? Next is we are very happy about the demerger of our agriculture solution business. When will this share be listed? Because we will get one more, we can take it as a bonus. What is our export percentage to USA against total exports? Whether we will face the challenges of Trump tariff policy, which will be on 25th, that's 50%, and other geopolitical pressures will affect our pricing pressures. Lastly, but not the least, future roadmap for 5 years, which vertical will be the growth engine driver along with good margins. I support all the resolutions. I wish my company all the best. May it grow from strength to strength. And I wish very happy festive season starting with our Independence Day and further going. And with this, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speak. Now I throw the floor to Mr. Mascarenhas.
Hello, I'm the next speaker in the queue, sir. Can I proceed?
Yes.
Yeah. Respected Chairman, sir, very distinguished members of the board, and my fellow shareholders. Good evening to you all. My name is Aloysius Mascarenhas. I'm a proud shareholder of this company. I'm holding this company for a very long time. I have seen the up and downs and the continuous growth of this company. Especially the BASF has given very good returns to its shareholder. It is shareholder friendly. And we are into practically all the industries. Our chemicals are used in agriculture, construction, textile, and pesticides, and mostly agriculture. So I'm very happy that we are in the right direction and right management. And I congratulate for all the awards and accolades received during the year. I'm happy about the CSR activity. And my only question is, who are our peers and competitors and our market share both in the local market and international market, and what is the Trump policy affecting us? And one important question, I feel one of our competitor is Rallis India. They are also in the rice pesticides, rice herbicide and all. So how are we compared to them? I would like to know. Most of the questions have been asked by my predecessor shareholders. I don't want to repeat it. So I throw the floor open to other shareholders to ask pertinent questions. And end my speech wishing you personally, all the board members, and more importantly, all the employees, all the very best in the days and years to come. With this, sir, thank you very much for patient hearing. Good health, good luck, and goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Our next speaker shareholder is Shobna Mehta. Please unmute your audio video and proceed with your questions.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Respected Chairman श्री प्रदीप जी, MD श्री अलेक्जेंडर जी, अन्य मेरे डायरेक्टर भाइयों और बहनों, मेरा नाम शोभना मेहता. गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन. सर, ई नोटिस एंड एनुअल रिपोर्ट वेल इन टाइम मिला. हमारे सेक्रेटरियल डिपार्टमेंट ने एनुअल रिपोर्ट कलरफुल और इंफॉर्मेटिव बनाया है. सो गुड प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए मैं हमारे कंपनी सेक्रेटरी श्री मनोहर जी और उनकी पूरी टीम को धन्यवाद देते हुए कहूंगी, वेरी वेल डन, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप. सर, रिजल्ट देखे, सेटिस्फैक्टरी परफॉर्मेंस दिखाया है और डिविडेंड भी आपने 200% रेकमेंड किया है. सो गुड रिजल्ट एंड डिविडेंड के लिए मैं आपको और आपकी एंटायर टीम को बहुत बहुत हार्दिक बधाई के साथ धन्यवाद देती हूँ. ये सब आप लोगों की मेहनत और लगन से काम करने का परिणाम है. सर, और एक बधाई मैं आप सबको देना चाहूंगी कि हमारी कंपनी को जो अवार्ड्स एंड रिकॉग्निशन मिला है, इसके लिए भी आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई. सर, आपने और हमारे एमडी श्री ने वीडियो प्रेजेंटेशन के अंतर्गत कंपनी वर्किंग के बारे में काफी कुछ एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है और मैं इस कंपनी की काफी सालों से शेयर होल्डर हूँ. तो जहां तक प्रदीप जी मैं आपको जानती हूँ, तो कहूंगी कि मुझे आप पर और आपकी एंटायर टीम पर पूरा फेथ है. आरिसा जी वगैरह है, सो कहूंगी पूरा फेथ है कि आप जो भी करोगे वो कंपनी और शेयर होल्डरों के हित में ही होगा. सो सर कहते हैं ना, जहाँ फेथ होता है वहां ज्यादा सवाल नहीं किया करते. सो जस्ट फॉर माय इंफॉर्मेशन सिर्फ एक दो जनरल सवाल पूछना चाहूंगी. हमारी कंपनी की 81st एजीएम है, तो कंपनी ने लास्ट बोनस कब दिया था और रेशियो क्या था? हमारी कंपनी की कॉम्पिटिटर कंपनियां कौन सी है? इसी के साथ में ज्यादा ना बोलते हुए आज आपने जो रेजोल्यूशन रखा है वो सभी में मैं फुल्ली सपोर्ट करते हुए कंपनी के लिए शुभकामना देती हूँ. हमारी कंपनी दिन दोगुनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की करती रहे, ताकि आप हमें ईयर बाय ईयर बेटर परफॉर्मेंस के साथ बेटर डिविडेंड और नियर फ्यूचर में बोनस भी दे पाए. इसी के साथ में आने वाले सभी त्योहारों की भी शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ. सो कहूंगी फूलों की खुशबू, कलियों की बहार, चांद की चांदनी, अपनों का प्यार, मुबारक आप सबको. रक्षाबंधन तो अभी गई है, लेकिन गणेश पर्व अभी शुरू होगा, तो गणपति के साथ आने वाले सभी त्योहार आप सबकी हेल्थ एंड वेल्थ हमेशा अच्छी बनी रहे, यही शुभकामना के साथ आई विशिंग यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द फ्यूचर सक्सेस. आप लोगों की बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स की फोटोग्राफ देखी पेज नंबर 3 पर, काफी सब खुश हो रहे हैं, स्माइल है फेस पे. सो कहूंगी सूरज की हर किरणें रोशनी दे आपको, फूलों की हर कली खुशबू दे आपको. मेरी भगवान से दे यही दुआ है, देने वाला हर खुशी दे आपको. इसी के साथ में धन्यवाद. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you.
वेलकम सर. थैंक यू.
Thank you. I now invite our next speaker shareholder, Bharat Shah and Smita Bharat Shah. Please unmute yourself and proceed ahead with your questions.
हेलो, आवाज आ रही है चेयरमैन साहब? आवाज आ
हाँ जी,
रही
हाँ
है?
जी, हाँ जी.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. माननीय चेयरमैन साहब श्री प्रदीप भाई, एमडी श्री अलेक्जेंडर जी और सभी उपस्थित माननीय डायरेक्टर्स, आप सभी को मेरा स्मिता शाह का सादर प्रणाम. पहले तो मैं सेक्रेटरी टीम का आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ. हमारी रिक्वेस्ट के अनुसार फिजिकल कॉपी भी भेजी और लिंक भेजकर बात करने का मौका दिया. सो गुड फुल इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ अट्रैक्टिव, इंफॉर्मेटिव एंड कलरफुल बैलेंस शीट के लिए और वेरी गुड इन्वेस्टर सर्विस की सराहना करते हुए मैं कंपनी सेक्रेटरी, हमारे जो हार्ड वर्कर मेहनती कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मिस्टर मनोहर कामत जी और उनके साथ सालों से गुड इन्वेस्टर सर्विस देते रही मिस विद्या जी को भी बहुत बहुत दिल से मैं धन्यवाद देती हूँ. बहुत ही उम्दा कार्य कर रहे हैं मनोहर जी, विद्या जी और पूरी सेक्रेटरी टीम, सभी को मैं अभिनंदन देती हूँ. और चेयरमैन साहब, प्रदीप भाई, मैं एक बात जरूर कहना चाहूंगी कि हमारे एक तो एमडी साहब ने बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन भी किया और आप सभी की स्माइलिश फोटो भी जो है हमारे बैलेंस शीट में, तो मैं एक बात जरूर कहूंगी कि प्रदीप भाई, जहां जहां आप हो वहां वहां हर कंपनी की तरक्की हो. आज हमारे बीएसएफ कंपनी का भी बहुत बढ़िया ग्रोथ के साथ कंपनी बढ़िया बढ़ रही है. सो आपकी लाजवाब लीडरशिप का कोई जवाब नहीं. सो मैं जरूर कहूंगी कि कंपनी की सीएसआर एक्टिविटीज भी बढ़िया रही है. डिविडेंड ₹2 के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और कंपनी का जो एक्सेलेंट वर्क है, तो चेयरमैन साहब, मैं आपके लिए और पूरी हमारी जो बोर्ड पर एक से बढ़कर एक उम्दा टीम, सभी को मैं अभिनंदन देती हूँ कंपनी के एक्सेलेंट वर्क और काफी सारे अवार्ड्स प्राप्त करने के लिए. और दूसरी सर, हमारे लिए खुशी की बात है कि कंपनी जो डीमर्ज करते हुए 1+1 शेयर के लिए आप जो दे रहे हैं सभी शेयर होल्डर को, सो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि हमारी कंपनी फ्यूचर में और भी ब्राइट नजर आ रही है और अच्छा ग्रोथ के साथ आगे बढ़ेगी. सो फ्यूचर के लिए मैं बेस्ट टू बेस्ट शुभकामना देती हूँ आपको. आप हमेशा हर्षित मुख रहे, स्वस्थ रहे, मस्त रहे। बारिश की जितनी भी बूंद इस धरती पर गिरे, उतनी सारी खुशियां आपकी झोली में गिरे। आपकी हर मनोकामना पूरी हो जो आप चाहे। सो कंपनी का ईयर बाय ईयर परफॉर्मेंस के साथ तरक्की की ओर आगे बढ़े और ईयर बाय ईयर हमारा डिविडेंड भी बढ़ाते रहे। ये मेरी ईश्वर के चरणों में प्रार्थना के साथ मेरी मंगल शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ है। और आज अंगार की भी है, सो आपका फ्यूचर भी मंगलमय बना रहे। सो हमारा ऑलवेज सालों से सपोर्ट आपके साथ रहा है। सो फुल्ली सपोर्ट में आज के सभी रिजोल्यूशन में करते हुए मैं आशा और उम्मीद के साथ कहूंगी कि चेयरमैन साहब, अभी आपको रूबरू मिलने की भी तमन्ना है, तो जरूर नेक्स्ट फिजिकल एजीएम में, हाइब्रिड एजीएम में रहेंगे हम और आप साथ साथ। बस आप सदा बने रहे गुड हेल्थ वेल्थ के साथ। धन्यवाद सर, चालू रखिए, भरत साहब बात करते हैं। थैंक यू।
माननीय चेयरमैन श्री सर, 1.5-2 मिनट लूंगा, ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा। माननीय चेयरमैन श्री प्रदीप भाई, एमडी श्री और अन्य माननीय डायरेक्टर सर, मेरा नाम भरत शाह सर। मैं बरसों से, मेरी कोई क्वेरी नहीं है सर, मैं बरसों से आपका शेयर होल्डर रहा हूँ सर। और न्यूट्रली जो आप जो कंपनी चला रहे हो सर, और बहुत व्यवस्थित अच्छी तरह से कंपनी को ऊंचाई पर लेके जा रहे हो सर। गुड रिटर्न दे रहे हो सर, गुड डिविडेंड सर आपका मिल रहा है, और शेयर का भाव भी अच्छा है। तो मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, अभिनंदन देता हूँ। भगवान ईश्वर को प्रार्थना है कंपनी दिन दोगुनी रात चौगुनी आगे बढ़े। सर, बोनस के लिए मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, तो जरूर आने वाले 1-2 साल में बोनस के लिए मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, तो जरूर याद रखना सर। और सर, सीएसआर एक्टिविटी अच्छी चल रही है, मैं उसके लिए भी धन्यवाद अभिनंदन देता हूँ। और अवार्ड्स की अच्छे सारे अवार्ड्स के लिए भी धन्यवाद अभिनंदन देता हूँ। सीएसआर एक्टिविटी भी अच्छी चल रही है, धन्यवाद अभिनंदन देता हूँ सर। और 5 years के फ्यूचर प्रोग्राम वो जरूर बताना सर। और एक अपना दूसरी कंपनी के आप जो एक पर एक शेयर दे रहे हो, उसके लिए भी धन्यवाद अभिनंदन देता हूँ। और सर, फैक्ट्री विजिट को बहुत टाइम हो गया, आपकी मैंगलोर फैक्ट्री विजिट को तो बहुत बहुत साल हो गया सर। तो और दहेज फैक्ट्री विजिट भी की थी आपने, की थी, उसको भी 8-9 साल करीबन हो गए सर। तो ये साल हो सके तो मैंगलोर या दहेज की फैक्ट्री विजिट के लिए जरूर सोचना सर, मेरी हार्टली रिक्वेस्ट है सर। और कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मनोहर जी कामत, विद्या, उनकी टीम के विद्या जी और पूरी सीएस टीम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अभिनंदन देता हूँ सर। बेस्ट इन्वेस्टर सर्विस दे रहे सर, कोई भी क्वेरी है तो सोल्व करते, रिस्पेक्ट देते, हार्ड वर्किंग है मनोहर जी। तो उनकी पूरी सीएस टीम को बहुत धन्यवाद अभिनंदन देता हूँ सर। और सर, नेक्स्ट ईयर हो सके तो, आपको मिले 5-6 साल हो गए, तो नेक्स्ट ईयर फिजिकल मीटिंग रखना तो रूबरू मिलने का मौका मिलेगा। बाकी आपकी हेल्थ वेल्थ अच्छी रहे, आपकी अपनी कंपनी बहुत बढ़िया प्रगति करे, सारे रिजोल्यूशन में मेरा पूरा सपोर्ट है सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद सर, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you.
Thank you. We invite our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Rajendra Prasad Joshi. May we request you to accept the prompt, unmute your audio video and proceed ahead with the questions. Rajendra Prasad Joshi, please go ahead with your questions.
Am I audible, madam?
Yes, you are, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. I may put the camera also. I will try for camera. No, camera is not going on. Okay, anyway. Thank you, madam. Our respected chairman, sir, Shri Pradeep Shah ji, our MD, Alexander Garding, Madam Shamla Gopinath ji, and other dignified directors present in today's AGM. Sir, myself Rajendra Prasad Joshi, Madam, sir, myself Rajendra Prasad Joshi, speaking from my residence at Mumbai. Sir, I very much appreciate the investor services rendered by Company Secretary Mr. Kamath and his team, especially Vidya Suvarna. He is very prompt to give reply to our queries. Sir, Mr. Manohar Kamath is very efficient executive of our company. Sir, my compliments to Sri Kamath and for his superb performance. He takes utmost care that the speakers can join the meeting smoothly. I wish him all the best and hope him to continue to be shareholder friendly. Sir, it is appreciated that despite geopolitical uncertainties and lowered chemical margins, our company achieved a top-line growth of 11%. I express my thanks to the board for the increased dividend of rupees 20 per share, despite of our reduced profits due to the higher input cost. This reflects the management's confidence in company's better performance in future. Sir, I wish all the best for the future growth of our company. Sir, I have only just few questions. Sir, what is your guidance for the profitability in the next 2 years? Sir, what is company's strategy to hedge against the Trump's tariff war? And third is what is capex plan for the next 2 years? And sir, whether our company is planning for any right issue or bonus in near future. With this, I thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speak from here and also support all the decisions. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Rajesh K. Chenani. Mr. Chenani, please turn on your camera. Please and unmute yourself. Proceed with your questions.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, respected Chairman Pradeep Shahji, MD Alexander Ji, and a very highly eminent board of directors, fellow shareholders. I am Rajesh Chenani and I am speaking from my residence in Velepala West, Mumbai. First of all, I thank our Secretarial Department, Mr. Manohar Kamath Ji, for sending me the physical copy of the annual report very well on time. It's a 226 pages annual report with all the color photographs, with each and every minute details have been covered in the annual report. And thanks to Ms. Vidya also, she just called me also for joining the meeting. So it's really a very good corporate governance on your side, sir. I thank you for the dividend of rupees 20. And I'm very happy with the CSR activity, sir. The CSR activity done by the company is very good. So the price of the share touched the high of 8748 and today it is trading at 4645. I suppose some of chemical unit is going to be bifurcated. So if it's bifurcated, how long is it going to take? Maybe I must have missed out in the beginning. So if you can just throw the light on that. And sir, there is nothing much to add. Sir, Pradeep Shahji, wherever you are there, Pfizer company, I've known you from years, sir. Each and every company where you are there, it just turns to be a gold mine. So there is always a saying, Modi ji hai to mumkin hai, sir. I always say, Pradeep Shahji jahan hai, wahan to namumkin bhi mumkin hai. So sir, under your leadership and guidance, I hope in the coming year, everything will be very much smooth, sir. And thank you very much, sir, for giving me the opportunity to speak. और इतना ही कहूँगा सर, ना दूर रहने से रिश्ते टूट जाते हैं और ना पास रहने से जुड़ जाते हैं. ये तो एहसास के वो पक्के धागे हैं जो याद करने से और मजबूत हो जाते हैं. With this, I end up my speech and I supported all the resolutions, sir. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to speak, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Anil Mehta. Mr. Mehta, please turn on your video and proceed ahead with your questions.
Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Thank you. Good afternoon. This is Anil Mehta attending this meeting from my residence, Kandivali, Mumbai. Sir, the first question is that looking to the trade war and the present situation with our neighbor country and also the present repo rate, how much the growth can we expect in the current FY 2025-26? Second question, for the export, we want to know whether we have taken any forward exchange contract to hedge the currency fluctuations, and also whether we have taken the ECGC for our overseas buyer risk. With this, we are supporting all the resolutions, and thanks to the Secretarial Department led by Mr. Manohar Kamath and also Ms. Vidya and their dynamic team for their cooperations and support. All the best for the bright future of our company. Thank you.
Thank you. We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Dr. Arun Kumar Bopanna. Mr. Bopanna, may we request you kindly unmute yourself and proceed ahead with the questions.
Good afternoon. Thanks to Manor Kamath Vidya and team for arranging the VC. Pradeep, I can't see you. It's nice to speak to you after a long time at Sonata.
Yeah.
We used to have a great time, Pradeep ji.
Yeah.
You already heard a lot of questions today. With me, you can expect something a little lighter, maybe even a reason to smile, because AGM, the dividend includes the smiling too. I'm sure you and your board colleagues are tired of answering about geopolitical issues, Trump tariffs, raw materials scarcity, inflation, leveraging digital tools, AI, biotechnology, etc. But I'd like to speak about the origins of BASF to motivate people or the startup people. From the dark tower of coal, Frederick Engelmann drew color and possibility, and in that spark, BASF was born on the foundation of science, carrying his vision from one century to the next. And may this continue for many more centuries. I wish BASF all the best. Many men chase success, very few redefine it. Frederick Engelmann didn't just build a business, he built a mission to serve humanity. I hope this makes you proud of BASF and maybe brings a smile on all your faces there on the dais. Awards fade away, sir, but values stay. From the founder's vision to today's purpose, I'm proud to compliment BASF for the VCHEMI program training 135 underprivileged women for careers in chemistry through structured learning and mentorship, plus water access in Wagra, Bharuch, providing clean accessible water through the installation of a community water ATM. They are not just programs, they are proof of companies' living values. In closing, in great storm, the strongest roots are planted. Let BASF be the banyan tree deep rooted in science, broad branched in compassion, blossoming in healing, innovation. Let it be remembered not only for what it made, but for whom it served. I hope to see you sometime, Pradeep ji. It's long time. I miss you honestly. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Humayun Behrouz Poredi. So please unmute yourself and proceed with your questions.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon to all of you. So happy to see you all again. And Mr. Pradeep, you also, though we do not meet personally, physically, well, we meet online at least. Now I want to say, we are very proud of our company, really proud. Chemical company means what? Now, I've already heard your speech and all that. Just want to ask you, we were taken to a Dahej plant. That was wonderful. I want to ask is, what is the capacity utilization of a Dahej plant? Have you got increased your chemical manufacture? I would just like to know. Two things. And credit goes to all these inventions to a brilliant R&D department, to a brilliant scientists, and thank you, a company, for encouraging them to come up and become so brilliant and benefiting our nation, benefiting everybody, all of us, farmers, and on and on and on. I can go on. And of course, I am ending my speech here. We thank our secretarial team. We thank our company secretary, whom we know since years and years, and an entire team. Thank you very much for letting us join here. It's not so easy to conduct a VC. He has personally rung all of us up and informed us about our VC and our AGM and everything. Thank you for your other team also. Thank you, Vidya, also. All the best to all of us. Thank you very much. You have made us prosperous with your very good market cap with your dividend. We have always have full faith in our company. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Himanshu Anil Bhai Trivedi. Mr. Trivedi may be requested to kindly unmute yourself and proceed ahead with your questions.
Hello, I am audible, madam? I am audible?
Yes, sir, but there is a lot of disturbance from your background.
Madam, there is troubling so network, so I am able to slowly going. Respected chairman and other board of directors sitting on dais, myself, I am Himanshu Trivedi from Vadodara. First of all, thank you for company secretary Manohar Kamath, which is sending a soft copy of the hard copy of the AGM well in advance, which is face full of information, fact, figure, and place, which is followed to understand. And I thank you to understand. And I secretary of department report is nicely prepared with a fully color of photograph with all excellent performance of detailing including. I don't have much question because I have full faith on board and they are working. I support all the resource item. I have sent all the question and queries to the email. We'll well in advance with this save the time of the AGM and give the opportunity to speak speaker's order. Sir, still I have one question. I have few questions. What is the market share we have in domestic and international market? And what would be the profit sharing ratio in coming financial year? Thank you to allow me to speak, sir. I wish good luck and bright future for coming financial year. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you. We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Lekha Shah and Satish Shah.
Hello. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected Chairman, sir, Board of Directors, and my fellow members, good afternoon and regards to everyone. Myself, Lekha Shah from Mumbai. First of all, I would like to thank our company secretary Manohar ji, especially Vidya ma'am, for giving me this opportunity and smooth process where I'm able to talk in front of you all in AGM. I found the AGM notice and I'm delighted to say it's so beautiful, full of colors and fact and figures in place. Thank you, Alexander ji, for such a informative and wonderful presentation. Chairman sir, your opening remarks were so insightful and comprehensive that you have already addressed everything I had in mind. Sir, may all your upcoming festivals filled with joy and blessings, sir. I am proud to be a shareholder of this company. Sir, I would like to thank all our personnel of company for receiving awards and recognition by your plan during the year 24 or 25. And also, I am happy the company is doing very well the field of CSR activities. Chairman sir, I hope the company will continue video conference meeting in future. So I would like to say I strongly and wholeheartedly support all the resolutions for today's meeting. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We have also Satish Shah connected. Please go ahead.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Shah, please go ahead.
Thank you, श्रीमान. Thank you, श्रीमान चेयरमैन साहब और अन्य डायरेक्टर. मेरा नाम सतीश शाह. आपने अपने चेयरमैन स्पीच में कंपनी के बारे में बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से समझा दिया सर, और हमें प्रेजेंटेशन में भी बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से समझा दिया और प्रेजेंटेशन भी बहुत अच्छा लगा और दिस ईयर कंपनी का परफॉर्मेंस भी अच्छा रहा और हमें डिविडेंड भी अच्छा मिला. तो मैं आज जो भी रिव्यूज है उसमें मेरा फुल्ली सपोर्ट है. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you.
Thank you. We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Bimal Kumar Agarwal.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to you all, sir. Good evening, good night, and good morning to other shareholders who has joined from different part of the world. Sir, and please continue video conference in future. Sir, your opening remark was very presentable. And I got no question to ask. Only I got one question. What is the accretion rate of our employee? That's all from me. Thank you very much. I thank the company secretary, team, management, staff, and the shareholder also. Thank you very much. Please continue with the video conference. Always.
Thank you.
That's all from me.
Thank you. We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Vinod Agarwal.
Hello. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yep. Respected Chairman Pradeep Shah, MD Alexander Girding, CFO Narendranath Baliga, and CS Manohar Kaman. Good afternoon and regards to everyone. See, the performance revenue-wise has been very good. It has been impacted last year due to pricing pressures. The pressures were not where we could not realize good prices, and the high cost of raw material. So all those are very good, sir. And sir, performance has been good, and we have been doing a very good in the automobile segment. Agri solutions are demerging, so we'll get one share for one share everything, which also is appreciated. The dividend that you have declared of 20 rupees on instead of 15 rupees last year is also appreciated, sir. I have only compliments for the company, sir, and for Mr. Pradeep Shah, sir. I've been a fan of yours. I've been meeting you in so many companies, sir. Virtually now, we used to meet in Sonata. I first met you. Now Sonata, you have left. Look at the state of Sonata; it has come down. While as other people were saying, you are the Midas touch to any company that you are in, sir. Now you've left Sonata. Sonata has fallen, sir. This company will still keep on growing, sir. I wish the company all the best. Signing off, Vinod Agarwal from Mumbai. Thank you.
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Gautam Tiwari.
Yes, sir.
So please go ahead with your question.
Yes, sir. Sir, my video started, and I think you can listen me also. No, I mean, Chairman, sir, Pradeep Shah, sir. Yes, sir. Uh, very. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, very good afternoon. Our very popular chairman, sir, Pradeep ji, our Mr. MD Alexander ji, Narendranath Baliga ji, Manohar Kamath ji, and other dignified dignitaries on board, Sonia ji, and all others, and our team BASF. And fellow shareholders, myself Gautam Tiwari, I am participating at this meeting from Mumbai. Sir, Pradeep Shah, really you are a Midas, sir, to any company where you are present. We are very happy to see you, and I am very much I've been convinced that wherever you are, the company is very gracefully rewarding the shareholders always and all the time. Sir, I would be at the outset, I would like to really congratulate the full entire our management team for giving outstanding performance year after year under your visionary leadership each year, despite a lot of global situation, disturbed global geopolitical economy, geopolitical conditions, and slowdown in global economy. Also, you are giving a very good. Delivering very good performance. For this, we are really grateful to you, sir. Sir, at the same time, our Mr. Manohar Kamath's secretarial service is so very good, sir. And for years together, Vidya is also giving very good investor service, very polite, soft-spoken, cordial, harmonious, helpful to all shareholders with due respect and due hospitality. Very satisfactory, sir. We are very happy about it. Even annual report is, sir, very good, adhering to all norms for corporate governance, and which we got in time, sir. And our Webex team is also doing very good service, all moderate and NSDL service. I thank the management for choosing such noble and dedicated service providers to all shareholders. Sir, demerger of our agricultural business solutions is a very welcome move. 1-to-1 ratio you are going to offer the bonus. It is a good bonus which has unlocked the wealth of investors' money and added value to investors. This thing, sir. I would like to ask you some 3-4 things कि हमारा सर हमारा केमिकल किसी और कंपनी का रॉ मटेरियल बनता है, फिर उसका एंड प्रोडक्ट बनता है, तो ट्रम्प टैरिफ का कितना इफेक्ट उस पर होगा, और उसके अलावा भी सर ये यूरोपियन प्राइस फ्लक्चुएशन का भी कितना इम्पैक्ट होगा हमारे अपने बिजनेस पर. इफ यू कैन प्लीज एनलाइटन इट. सर राइस हम लोग हमारे पोर्टफोलियो में है, वी प्रोड्यूस मेनली फॉर इंडिया, लेकिन वी आर एक्सपोर्टिंग इट टू थाईलैंड एंड वियतनाम ऑल्सो. सो हाउ मच डू वी अर्न फ्रॉम राइस as such? Sir, how do we AI green energy, and you have explained very nicely in your this thing introductory speech today. We would like to know in what other ways it is adding to the benefit, it is beneficial to our company. Sir, what is our present status of carbon footprint and carbon emission? By 2030, we intend to be 30% in carbon emission, and by 2550, it will be 100%. What is its status today? And sir, our target, what is the status of at present of our this thing ESG goal, sir, and how much of uh, it is achieved till today? Sir, conclusively, I would like to say, sir, we have got strong support for all resolutions. I already voted favorable for all of them. Also, support appointments and reappointments of all directors. We have got unwavering trust, faith, and confidence. And really, Midas, wherever you are, Pradeep Shah is there. We are always there. And therefore, our unstinted, unconditional, and continuous lifetime support is always assured with. We wish for each member of the management, all employees, staff, and executives, and all shareholders, all vendors, those who are connected to your company, a very happy, healthy, wealthy, long life, and with best of the compliments for all Ganesh festivals and all Dasra, Diwali, and a good future, excellent future, rather bright future for the company under your excellent management. We are very happy and proud shareholders of your company right from day one, and we are very happy that the company is going to rewarding shareholders in this way and will keep on rewarding the shareholders. This is what we have been experiencing. Thank you very much, sir, for patient listening. We are here to support you throughout our life. इसी के साथ धन्यवाद. जय हिंद. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Jahangir Batiwala.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir. First of all, good afternoon to all the distinguished members on the VC panel. And I just wish to say, sir, now that everybody is coming to work, the corona fear has already subsided. So let's have physical meetings from next year onwards, sir, as we used to have earlier. It's good to, sir, have a physical meeting so we can meet and greet each other and talk personally, sir. Talking on this small screen is not is no more fashionable, sir. Where as regards to the performance, sir, where we have such learned members and where we have Manohar Kamath, sir, we don't need to question anything. We have full faith in the management of the company. So, sir, I don't wish to ask any questions. Just two queries like what is the capex plan and what is the roadmap for the next 2 years. Rest, sir, best of luck to one and all, and compliments of the festive season to everyone starting from 15th of August. So, thank you very much for patient hearing. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you. We now invite the next speaker shareholder, Anil Parekh. So kindly unmute yourself and proceed ahead with the questions. Mr. Anil Parekh, please go ahead
Hello.
with the questions.
Hello.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir,
Hello.
you are.
Okay. 1 minute. Huh? 1 minute, madam. Please allow me to begin. Chairman, sir, Board of Directors and fellow shareholders. My name is Anil Parekh and
I'm sorry to interrupt you, Mr. Parekh, but there is some virtual background noise which we can hear. Can you please mute the another meeting?
sure.
Thank you.
One.
Please go ahead.
Now it's okay. Hello.
Go ahead,
Hello.
sir.
Go ahead.
Okay. Chairman, sir, I'm thankful to our CS team, particularly Manoharji and Vidya. They are extending all kind of support whenever we need, and I'm pleased with the performance of our company. Uh, and also thanking you for a dividend of 20%. Sir, shortly, I think you will announce our demerger of our agricultural business, and that would give us a mini bonus. Uh, that what I understand. And also, I would like to understand what would be the scenario globally under the challenging economic situation, and your plans as far as uh, capex. Capex. What is capex plan for the year? And also, sir, uh, if possible, next year. Physical meeting can be arranged of the shareholder so that we can meet and greet to you with wholehearted support. Chairman sir, today there are so many meetings are going on, and everybody before me has said many things, and after me also everyone will speak many things. I don't want to waste your time asking unnecessary questions because everything is well depicted in the annual report, and I'm pleased with that. I only say I'm strongly and wholeheartedly support all the resolutions proposed today. Thank you for allowing me to speak.
Thank you.
Thank you. We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Hiranand Kotwani.
Namaste.
Mr. Kotwani, please go ahead with
I'm
the
audible. I
questions.
hope so. Thank you. Namaste to all the people who are listening to me. It is a great management and great people to talk. Certainly, company has done well continuously. Some ups and downs are there, but reward to the minority shareholders are meager. I will come to the point. On January 1st, 25, our company transfer coating business to 212 crore. To which company? It's a parent company we have transferred. And the second development is that Tubro tube dryer unit at Dahej. We closed down. What is the relevancy of that? How will affect our organization future? It is a cost-cutting measure, or the market is not there. How much expenditure is involved or loss we bear in this? Please explain the turbo tube dryer unit manufacture at Dahej at February 25. Last question was there in the April 25 acquisition of 7 fully paid equity share of BASF Agriculture Solution Limited having face value of 10, cash concerned aggregate rupees 70. I failed to understand this. What is 70 rupees have you received from parent company? Subcommittee has an audit committee and board of directors who are held approved the acquisition. Please explain what type of acquisition this. Nothing more to add. Company is doing well. Your compliance is good. Mr. Kamath and Vidya are very much active, solving our queries. Certainly explain the future growth and expansion. And growth is mute. The you company have expected by this year 20,000 crores of the volume. Because you are I can know what to press, but certainly I want more profitability and more product verticals, innovative product. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you. We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Ashish Shankar Bansal.
You can hear my voice, sir?
Yes.
Respected Chairman and Board of Directors, first I thank for the sending the hard copy of the annual report and also connecting to this AGM today. Previous speaker already is focused, so I will not repeat my question. Just I request you, if you are taking the shareholder plan visit, Chairman and Board of Directors can be there so we can meet each other. After long time we have not met Chairman and Board of Directors. And I support all the regulation. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Dinesh G. Bhatia.
Use the function unmute. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir, you are.
And also my video sync.
Good.
चेयरमैन श्री, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर, सभी आपका टीम को मैं पहले तो कांग्रेचुलेशन कहूंगा। बहुत अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं आप लोग, जिसके कारण ही हमारा जो शेयर का भाव आज रिस्पेक्ट करता है। आज हमारा 10 रुपीज शेयर जो है वो मार्केट में 4644 रन हो रहा है। ये आप लोग की मेहनत दिखाती है कि आप लोग कितना बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं, जिसके कारण हमारा इतना बढ़िया भाव है शेयर का। तो हमें खुशी है कि हम बहुत अच्छी कंपनी के शेयर होल्डर हैं। दूसरा हम देखते हैं कि आपके जो मेरे आगे कई लोग ने कहा, ऐसा मैं भी रिपीट वो चीज रिफ्रेश करता हूँ कि जो प्रदीप जी हमारे हैं, प्रदीप शाह, वो जो कंपनी में वो डायरेक्टर है, चेयरमैन डायरेक्टर जो पोस्ट पे है, वो कंपनी में उसकी इतनी बढ़िया रहती है मेहनत के, और सबको ऐसा व्यू करते हैं कि हमारी कंपनी, उनकी जो कंपनी है, फाइजर है और बाकी कई कंपनी है, सभी के 1000 में भाव रहता है। तो वो उनकी एक मेहनत दिखाती है। हमें लकी है हम कि हमारी कंपनी के वो है चेयरपर्सन, तो हमें खुशी होती है कि हम अच्छी कंपनी में शामिल हुए हैं, जिसके कारण हमें अच्छा मुनाफा ही मिल रहा है और आगे भी मिलते रहेगा। मेरा खाली आपको एक मैं कभी सवाल नहीं पूछता, मेरे आगे बहुत लोग ने काफी चीज सवाल पूछ लिया, जो खाली रिफ्रेश करना था वो मैंने एक प्रदीप जी के लिए कहा। और दूसरा मैं ये कहूंगा कि मेरे आगे कई लोग ने कहा कि आप फिजिकल मीटिंग करो। आप अगर फिजिकल करेंगे तो हमें आपको मिलने का साल में एक मौका मिलता है, तो हो सके तो आप फिजिकल करो। एटलीस्ट फिजिकल के साथ आपको ग्लोबल एंटायर वर्ल्ड के लोग को लेना है मीटिंग में, तो हाइब्रिड करो कि जिनको आपको मिलना है पर्सनली वो आपको मिल सके, और जिनको ऑनलाइन रहना है वो ऑनलाइन रह सके। तो ये मेरी आपको रिक्वेस्ट है। दूसरी रिक्वेस्ट मेरी ये है कि हमारे शेयर के इतने अच्छे भाव है, 10 रुपीज का जो 4644 भाव है, और वो लोवेस्ट में 4000 तक ही गया है और हाई में 8748 तक गया है। जो हमारे, तो आप क्यों 2 रुपये का एक शेयर कर दीजिए, तो क्या है हमारा एक शेयर का 5 शेयर बन जाएगा, हमें मिनी बोनस जैसा हो जाएगा। आज 80 साल में हमने नहीं किया, पर अभी 81 ईयर्स है, तो 81 ईयर्स में आप इतना कोशिश करो कि हमारा शेयर को स्प्लिट कर दो, 2 रुपीज का शेयर कर दो, तो हमें एक शेयर का 5 शेयर बन जाएंगे। और उनका जो P&L में, फाइनेंस में कुछ इनका रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं होएगा, खाली शेयर की संख्या बढ़ेगी। शेयर की संख्या बढ़ेगी तो मार्केट में उसका ज्यादा वॉल्यूम से डील होएगा, तो ज्यादा वॉल्यूम में लोग लेना बेचना करेंगे, तो हमें खातरी है कि इसका 1/5 जो हम करेंगे
भाव हम अगर 2 रुपये का शेयर करेंगे तो करीब 950 के आसपास एवरेज प्राइस पहुंचता है। तो 950 के बदले हमें इतना खातरी है कि हमारा भाव 1500 के 1500 या 2000 तक हो जाएगा। तो ये चीज जो आप करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। ये तो कर भला तो हो भला, आप हमारा शेयर होल्डर का भलाई का सोचेंगे कि हमको एप्रिसिएशन करने का, तो हमारा प्रमोटर का 73% है, तो उनको भी शेयर की संख्या बढ़ी जाएगी ऑटोमेटिकली, तो उनको भी मुनाफा होने वाला ही है। सेकंडली मेरा जो एक था कि मेरे आगे भी कई स्पीकरों ने जो मैं रिफ्रेश करता हूँ, अब जितने इधर स्पीकर है उनको आप एटलीस्ट प्लांट विजिट का मौका दीजिए। अभी अक्टूबर के बाद जब भी आपको सुविधा है तो क्या है, हमें आप लोग को मिलने का एक वो मौका मिल जावे और सेलिब्रेशन जैसा कुछ हो जावे। बाकी तो मैं कोई चीज में मेरा कोई सवाल नहीं है, खाली एक हमें ये जानकारी चाहिए कि ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टमेंट हमारा कितना है, ग्लोबल इनकम कितना है और ग्लोबल आउटगोइंग कितना है, थोड़ा उसकी जानकारी देंगे। बाकी तो आपका सेक्रेटरियल डिपार्टमेंट जो मेरे आगे बहुत लोग ने बोला सर, उसके लिए भी कुछ बोलना कमी है। बहुत बढ़िया सेक्रेटरी तो बढ़िया है ही, लेकिन उसकी जो टीम के जो है मोहन कुमार कामत की जो पूरी टीम के जो विद्या बेन और बाकी जो वो सब एक से बढ़ के एक हमें सेवा देते हैं। मैं सीनियर सिटीजन है, 72 ईयर्स मेरा है, हमें रिफ्रेश करते हैं, अगले दिन भी रिफ्रेश किया, आज भी रिफ्रेश किया। हमारा मीटिंग में जरूर आना, तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है। एट प्रेजेंट देयर आर 4 मीटिंग्स, 4 मीटिंग एजीएम है अभी, पर हमें आपकी मीटिंग में हम कंटिन्यूस लगे हुए हैं कि नहीं, इनका जो हमारे लिए रिस्पेक्ट है, तो हमको भी ये मीटिंग पहला अटेंड करना। आपने जो बोलने का मौका दिया उसके लिए थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you.
Thank you. We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Yusuf Yunus Rangwala. So please unmute yourself and go ahead with your questions. Mr. Rangwala, please unmute yourself. Mr. Rangwala, may we request you to kindly unmute yourself and proceed ahead with your questions. As there is no response, we'll move to the next question. The next question is from Bharat Pratap Singh Negandhi and Lata Bharat Negandhi. Mr. Negandhi, may we request you to please unmute yourself and proceed ahead with the questions.
Respected Chairman, Board of Directors and fellow shareholders, my name is Bharat Negandhi from Bombay. First of all, I have received the annual report in time. Report is very beautiful, authentic and transparent. I congratulate Company Secretary Mr. Mandar Kamath and team to send me the physical copy to my resident address. I will not ask questions because so many speakers, they ask this question. So I have not asked this question. I only asked those 2-3 questions. Sir, what is the capex program? And number 2, total number of employees in the office and the plant. And I fully support to pass all the resolution and build bright and healthy future of the company. Once again, I thank you, Mr. Mandar Kamath and team. They send me the opportunity and they send me the call me. Thank you very much. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you. We now invite the next question, Vasudha Dakwe.
Please, very good afternoon, respected Chairman, sir, Board of Directors, and my fellow shareholders. Myself, Vasudha from Thane. The opening speech given by the chairperson is also very informative and excellent. I will also thankful to our company secretary team for helping me to join this VC platform. Most of the question was asked by my previous shareholder. I will not repeat it again. Only one question I would like to ask. Is there any impact on our staff, employee, because of the demerger of the company? With this, I support all the resolution. Thank you very much and wish the company all the best for coming financial years and my best wishes for coming Ganpati, Dasera, Diwali festival. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Manoj Kumar Gupta.
Hello, good evening, respected Chairman, Board of Directors, fellow shareholders. My name is Manoj Kumar Gupta. I've joined this meeting from my residence city of Joy, Kolkata. I feel proud to be a shareholder of BASF, and I thanks to you and your team for excellent result of the company and for a good result, a good dividend of the company for the year 24-25. And thanks to the company secretary, Mr. Kamath, and his entire team to help us to join this meeting through VC. And his team, especially, I've got 2 calls today to join. Are you in the queue now? So I have said yes, I'm waiting for my turn. But anyway, I have a great respect to BASF and their staff. Anyway, you are a multinational company, you are facing the shareholder and you are listening very carefully. Either one shareholder or 30 shareholder. You are facing, not Bata. Bata management do not want to face the shareholder in the VC meeting. Sir, thanks for your CSR. Sir, today your share price is 4,600, 600. Your market cap is 19,000 and 52-week high share is 8,700, low is 4,000 and 52-week market cap for the 35,000 to 19,000. By the market cap and the price has come down, we don't know. But anyway, after got the balance sheet, we expect that share price will go up and market cap will go up. Have you any plan to split the share either 2:1 or 5:1 to increase the liquidity and the market cap? And how you will reward the investors? And sir, what's your future plan? And how much we are using the renewable energy in our plants to save the energy cost, to fulfill the vision of our visionary Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to save the cost of energy by using the green energy or renewable energy. And how much score of ESG, sir? And if the ESG rating is good, then what's your plan in that regard, sir? With this, I strongly support all the resolution. Sir, keep VC meeting continue because you are in Mumbai, we are in Calcutta, we can talk to you over VC and do not avoid any shareholder to give a chance because you give a chance to speak in the AGM. Do not follow other companies, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. We now invite our next speaker shareholder, Hariram Chaudhary. Mr. Chaudhary, I'm so sorry, we are unable to hear you. Kindly unmute yourself, sir.
No, now I'm unmuted. After this is long time,
Yes, yes, sir, you are audible now. Please go ahead.
So, Chairman Sri Pradeep ji and Alexander ji, Managing Director, and Chairman of the CSR Committee, because I'll be speaking about the CSR also. First of all, I compliment to Pradeep ji, because I wish to remind you that we have met a number of times at the International Chamber. And with your pleasing personality, I'm lucky that we are meeting now. So my suggestion is that let us have the annual general meeting hybrid, online as well as physical. This is done by the High Court. This is done in the Las Angeles. This is done in our own committee. The additional expenditure will be very individual. So please consider about this suggestion for the next meeting. My next suggestion is have a get together of the speaker shareholder in Mumbai. So this is my another suggestion. And Mr. Chairman, my name is Hariram Chaudhary from Santa Cruz, Bombay, and I'll be speaking about CSR also. Therefore, I would like to have the attention of CSR Committee Chairman. Please let us know how much amount we have spent on CSR activity and whether this amount is more than 2% of the net profit, and who are the other members of the CSR committee. Now, Mr. Chairman, at 2:45 the link was active, but up to 3 o'clock there was no sound. At least video of CSR activities and operation of our company could have been shown. So this may be done in the future. Completely blank, we thought we should get on. So this may be please consider. Now the share is given in the new entity 1-to-1. Please let us know when it will be listed, and after that, whether we will come out again in the capital market or raising the fund, kindly let us know. And we appreciate very much that on the board, name of the speaker and number is also given. So my compliments to the chairman and the secretary for arranging this system. Mr. Chairman, now please let us know what are the latest technology that we have been using. Are we using artificial intelligence, and whether this is increasing our revenue and profit? And Mr. Chairman, now please have a dedicated mobile telephone for the security department, and this number may be published in the annual report. We can maintain a good personal touch with the security department by sending the greetings from time to time. This is possible if there is a WhatsApp in the mobile number. And this is a very negligible expenditure. And now, Mr. Chairman, this additional video I given will let us know whether we are having solar energy at our plants. It also let us know whether we are having water harvesting in our plants. And my suggestion is that please help those shareholders whose shares and video have gone to the IEPF. Please let us know how much time we take in issuing the entitlement for getting the shares back and dividend back. And we appreciate the moderator for conducting so well. And with this, I conclude. Thank you, Mr. Chairman Pradeep Alexander ji, and Mr. Manoj Kamath, and also Vidya ji, who had helped the shareholders in attending the meeting. Thank you very much. My name is Hari Ram Chaudhary.
Thank you.
Thank you. I now invite the next speaker shareholder, Aspi Vesania. So please unmute your audio video and proceed with the questions.
Chairman sir, can you hear me and see me?
Yes.
Sir, I'm Aspi from Bombay. Sir, firstly, why no physical AGM? You should hold a physical AGM from next year. Because Bajaj Group holds physical AGM in Pune for each and every company of the Bajaj Group. So why not BASF? Because anybody who wants can come to Pune and can come to Bombay. Like I had to go to Pune to attend the Bajaj Group meeting. So now coming to your results are very good. And how do you see competition from China going forward? So Q1, year-on-year results are not good, but quarter-on-quarter it is good. So how do you see the future? So thank you very much and all the best for the future.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the last question for today. Over to the management.
Thank you very much. And first and foremost, I really want to, in the name of the entire board, thank all the speaker shareholders for attending the session, for the words of appreciation and the best wishes, and especially for all the questions that have been raised. Coming to the questions. The impact of US tariff on BASF India. The company is closely monitoring the recent changes in US tariffs and is currently evaluating their potential impact on our business in India. The direct impact will be on our customer industries. We do not, as BASF India Limited, sell any products to the US, but of course we have customers in their respective industries. While it's too early to quantify the precise effect, we are actively assessing the implications. We remain committed to maintaining business continuity and will take appropriate measures, if needed, to mitigate any potential risks arising from these developments. There were also questions on the demerger of our agricultural solutions business and when this demerger will be completed. From timelines perspective, the demerger would be completed during the financial year 2026-2027. There was also a question why the BASF Agricultural Solutions India Limited was acquired by BASF SE promoters. As part of initial steps for implementation of the demerger of company's agricultural solutions business, BASF SE had set up a wholly owned subsidiary, BASF Agricultural Solutions India Limited. Pursuant to further assessment of the implementation of the proposed demerger in India, and for easier and more efficient implementation process, it was decided that BASF Agricultural Solutions India Limited becomes a wholly owned subsidiary of BIL. Accordingly, the Board of Directors of BASF India Limited, at its meeting held on 25th of April 25, had approved the acquisition of a 100% stake, meaning 7 equity shares of 10 Indian rupee each at fair value, being Indian rupee 10 each for BASF SE, which was completed on 2nd of May 2025. There was also a question related to the same topic, the demerger of the ag business. What would be the impact of to our employees? All the employees of agrochemicals business will be transferred to the BASF Agro Solutions India Limited post demerger. There was also connected to the ag business a question on the rice segment. Who are our competitors? Major competitors are UPL, Bayer Crop Science, Rallis, India, and Syngenta. There was also a question on our EC business. When was the transfer of company's coatings business to BASF India Coatings Private Limited? When it got it settled and post-transfer, whether any shares were issued and allotted to the company. The coatings business of our company has already been transferred to BASF India Coatings, wholly owned subsidiary, effective 1st of January 2025. Final consideration of 211.90 crore was finalized based on independent evaluation and was settled by way of issuance and allotment of equity shares by BASF India Coatings in favor of BASF India Limited. There were questions on when the next factory visit will be held. The last factory visit was organized in 2022 at Thane site. You can give your request for a factory visit to the secretarial team, and once the next factory visit is arranged, the team will reach out to you. There were questions on bonus. When did company declare last bonus and in what ratio? The last bonus was declared in 1998 and ratio was 1:2. 1 bonus share for every 2 shares held. Why has the company not issued any bonus shares? Your company follows a conservative approach regarding bonus shares. Considering the existing situation, the board has a view that this is not an appropriate time to consider issue of bonus shares to its shareholders. There was a question on our attrition rate. Our attrition rate is around 4% and far below the industry average. Is the company planning to split its shares? As of now, there are no plans to split the shares of the company. There was a question on our capacity utilization of our Dahej plant and site. It's 80 to 85%, April 24 to March 25. There was a question on our CapEx programs. So in total, ending March 2025, we had capital work in progress in total of 97.3 crores. The largest one is the Celesto expansion that I presented. The second largest one is a line E6 upgrade from 5.3 KT per annum to a higher level at Panoli site. There was a specific question on the reason for the closure of the turbo tube dryer unit at our company's manufacturing site at Dahej, pertaining to the company's care chemicals business. The board of directors of the company at its meeting held on February 4th, 2025 has approved the closure of the turbo tube dryer unit at the company's manufacturing site at Dahej. Accordingly, the company has written down assets aggregating to 32.5 million rupees during fiscal year 24-25. The decision to close the turbo tube dryer unit was taken due to its technology not reflective of current Indian market standards, leading to low utilization, high maintenance cost, increased production of off-specification materials, frequent write-offs, and adverse performance. There was a question on our competitors. It depends by segments. In the agrochemical segment, our competitors, to name a few, are Bayer Crop Science, Syngenta, Rallis, PI Industries. In the dispersion and pigments business, it is Dow, Weizen, Apcotex, to name a few. In the care chemicals segment, it's companies like Galaxy Surfactants. In the coatings chemical segments, it's Kansai and AkzoNobel. In the polyurethane segments, it's Dow, Covestro, and Huntsman, just to name a few. There was questions on digitalization and what BASF is doing on artificial intelligence. Your company is deeply committed to digital transformation to enhance operational efficiency, support data-driven decision-making, and maintain competitiveness in an increasingly digital landscape. At Dahej site, as an example, a goods track system has been implemented to monitor end-to-end vehicle tracking system and movement, enabling unmanned weighbridge operations, detailed analysis of turnaround time, and improved logistics efficiency. At Panoli site, the engineering store has been digitalized through a QR code-based inventory management system, significantly enhancing warehouse operations and inventory accuracy. At Mangalore site, the adoption of smart factory systems has enabled seamless integration of operational processes through end-to-end digitalization of material flow, improving overall production visibility and efficiency. At Thane site, automation in product handling operations at process plants has been upgraded, leading to increased packing accuracy, enhanced error proofing, and a noticeable reduction in product loss and waste generation. The question was also on sustainability. What is BASF doing here? Climate change is the biggest challenge of our time. We thus aim to achieve net zero CO2 emissions by 2050. To achieve this, we become more efficient in our production and energy usage. We will increase our use of renewable energies, and we will accelerate the development and deployment of new CO2-free processes for the production of chemicals. The example I presented of Mangalore, 80% of the energy consumed in Mangalore is coming from renewable sources. Whether BASF calculates the carbon footprint of its products? Yes, BASF provides its customers with total values of CO2 emissions, so-called carbon footprints, for all of its products. The product carbon footprint comprises all product-related greenhouse gas emissions that occur until the BASF product leaves the factory gate for the customer, for example, from the purchased raw material to the use of energy in production processes. BASF has been calculating PCFs for individual products since 2007. With a digital solution developed in-house, BASF will be able to calculate the PCF for its approximately 45,000 sales products based on a global level. Details on the power purchase agreement with Clean Renewable Energy. The company has entered into a 25-year-long term power purchase agreement with Clean Renewable Energy KK2C Private Limited, incorporated by Hero Rooftop Energy Private Limited, for 2.7 megawatt of renewable power at its Mangalore site under the prevailing renewable energy policy of the state of Karnataka and the Electricity Act 2003 and the rules thereunder. In which segments do you see an optimistic outlook on our portfolio in the next 2 years? In general, as I had mentioned in the presentation, the fundamentals are strong in India, with an aspiring population that is premiumizing. So the domestic consumption, we see the fundamentals are strong for the future. Nonetheless, of course, we have to continue to watch the geopolitical context that surrounds us. What's our CapEx plan for the next year? Apart from the ongoing Salasto expansion and other routine CapEx, as I highlighted before, there are no major CapEx plans for this year. What are the principal objectives of the company's business plan for the next year and for the next 5 years? In general, we want to stay close to our customers, maintain prudent control over working capital, manage inventory well, keep check on cost and optimizing our asset utilization. We will drive the sustainability story further while ensuring safe and efficient operations of our sites. Employees will continue to be our focus area in the future too, and we will take more steps to fortify our talent profile while promoting diversity and inclusion in the organization. Our goal is to continue growing profitably with India and to contribute to its success. There were questions around our share price in the last year. The fluctuations in the share price are purely market-driven, and we do not have any control over its movement. Does the company plan to conduct all future AGMs through video conferences? As permitted by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Securities and Exchange Board of India, the Board of Directors of your company decided to convene this annual general meeting through video conferencing. As regards the future general meetings, the company will continue to comply with the statutory requirements as may be applicable from time to time and decide on the conduct of the AGM accordingly. There were questions on our foreign exchange risk and exposure. Natural hedge is used to match forex receivables and payables. Net forex exposure is hedged with forwards. Foreign currency borrowings are raised on a fully hedged basis. Currency speculation is not done, and all foreign currency derivative contracts are executed based on underlying documents. How many employees have worked with BASF India Limited during the last financial year? The total number of employees was 1,242 as of the end of financial year 24-25. The details of the same for the last 10 years have also been provided on page number 212 of the annual report 24-25. Reason for increase in margin for June 25 quarter compared to March 25 quarter. As compared to March 25 quarter, the revenue is up by 18%. Profitability improved significantly in agricultural solutions due to higher revenue on account of ongoing season. Profitability performance June 25 quarter versus June 24 quarter. BASF India delivered a resilient performance amidst a challenging market environment. Segments such as agricultural solutions, industrial solutions, surface technologies, and nutrition and care chemicals showed stable or improved revenue, although results were impacted by higher costs. Since the Chinese overcapacity will continue, how do you expect non-agribusiness profits to improve? Below factors help the company to secure business even in current market slowdown due to dumping of Chinese products. Proven reliability of supply and strong relationship with our customers. Product substitution by customers not feasible for short-term gains. Successful new launches in the market, as illustrated with the Ag Solution business, for example, but also others. Rebate incentive to secure volumes. What is our contribution of the company towards CSR? The company spent 16 million rupees on CSR activities in financial year 24-25 as against a budget of 138.2 million. Remaining unspent amount of 122.2 million has been transferred to CSR account as per the section 135.6 to be utilized for ongoing projects. The major areas for CSR activities are promoting education, facilities, sanitation, and making available safe drinking water. Also, please refer to page 14 to 16 of the annual report for more details about our CSR activities by your company. And with that, I again want to extend warm words of appreciation for your participation, dear shareholders, and for all of your questions. May I now request the shareholders who have not yet cast their votes on the resolutions to please do so immediately. The results of the voting on all the resolutions will be declared within 2 working days after the conclusion of this meeting, and it will be intimated to the stock exchanges and posted on companies and NSDL's website. I now declare that the e-voting period be kept open for 15 minutes to facilitate voting by the shareholders of the company who have not exercised their votes on the resolutions. Thank you.
We have e-voting in process right now.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, everyone. The e-voting has been kept open for 15 minutes as mentioned by Mr. Alexander Girding, Managing Director. I now close the e-voting. I would like to say that the requisite quorum was present throughout the meeting. With this, I declare the meeting concluded. Thank you for attending the meeting.